down to the south to have a lot of great players who come from all over the region, including quite a few that come from this area. We'd like to introduce them to you tonight and ask them to give you a big wave. From Wetumpka High School, Brittany Knuckles, Taylor Jones, and Zach Smith. From Tallahassee High School, Adam Diamond, Haley Parker, and Brittany Norrell. From Hopeville High School, Ashley Blankenship, Zach Cruz, Katie Manker, and Zachary Ray. From Elmore County High School, Cole DeBartoleben, Jake Reed, and Rebecca Reed. And from Stanhope Elmore High School, Emmy Lovnicek. As part of our return to some of the great music from our past, next we feature our majorettes performing a routine first performed many years ago. Reaching back 22 years, we present one of the favorites from 1993, Just a Closer Walk with Thee, an Old Time Religion.